The NeuFit method, or the Newbie, which is the machine itself, uses a direct current that the body recognizes as its own. And so when you fire a muscle, it's using direct current in order to fire. Many times when the brain becomes protective because of joint instability or some other input from the body, it will shut muscles down. And it's very, very difficult to get a muscle to fire when the brain's going, nope. That is a very threatening situation. And the way the Newbie works and the direct current of the Newbie works is you can scan the body, you can find areas of protective response, and then you can apply that direct current to those areas during functional motion. And so now the body's getting that input. I'm doing that squat that's always been painful, but now it's not painful and the brain is being immediately rewired. And you can find very, very quick results with applying the Newbie, or that direct current, to the muscles in order to dampen that protective response and fear. And then we add in the other methods that we have to augment that level of function. The Newbie uses a number of different frequencies. We'll use one frequency to break that protective response, as we talked about, and we'll use other frequencies that really load the muscle, and you can get strengthening to occur in the muscle with much, much, much less joint compression and load, like you're doing 1,000 squats when you've only done 10. And so that's another aspect of the Newbie. And finally, and probably the aspect of it that sold me on it the most, and that is because when we're in pain, our nervous system is also very sympathetically upregulated, which just basically means you're in fear and flight mode all the time. And the direct current of the Newbie can actually work systemically on the body in order to decrease that sympathetic upregulation, and that fear response helps people sleep better, helps people digest better, breathe better, all of those things that the nervous system has been so amped up around. It can bring that nervous system down into more of a parasympathetic state.